There's a question I wanted to connect with this because, and of course, because we're still talking about debt restructuring. This question is important because you know the finance sector in this country very well. There are some who will say that we've been through reform and now there is a domestic debt exchange.
Yeah.
Can the finance sector of Ghana survive all of this turbulence?
The answer is no. If we don't manage the domestic debt exchange program properly, the financial sector will be weakened such a way that it won't be able to perform the role that sector is supposed to perform. We should be very careful. The bond of 137 billion is huge.
Okay.
You look at the insurance companies, for example. You see, the insurance companies, the premium they collect are now in the government bonds. Mm-hmm. You understand? The premium, if it's a general business, is there for claims payment. Your car is involved in an accident, they have to pay from the claim, from the premium they collected from you and other people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, it's in the bonds, government has taken over the bonds. If there's a claim, how would they pay?
Now that's interesting.
How would they pay?
But I will not take an excuse if I have a claim before an insurance company.
You go there.
Yes, I will insist on getting my money.
And the insurance company cannot say, oh, the bond is with government. No.
Yeah.
The contract you have is with the insurance company.
Not with
Not government.
Yeah.
But the government, because of difficulty we are going through, has taken over 55% of the money. How would they pay the claims? That's general. Got to even life. It's more serious with life.
Oh, okay.
Life, they have what they call endowment.
Mm-hmm.
Endowment, yes, you are paying 2,000 cedis every month to the insurance company. After 10 years, you go for the money. Mm-hmm. Or 15 years, or 20 years. It's like savings that you are making.
Yeah.
These monies have been found in government bonds. Because of the difficulties we're going through, government has taken over about 55%, whatever. So when you go to the insurance company, 10 years ago I started saving, I need my money back. I said, oh, government has taken 55%. What will this do?
But is it not interesting that this same industry called insurance, we basically gave them very little option than to put their money into bonds?
Yes, unfortunately. You see, so some of them are saying that we're misled to put our money in government bonds, knowing that you take the money one day. It's not a very right accusation.
I get you.
But I understand their desperation. So were we misled? They're asking.
It's a legitimate question.
We're misled? We have done that. Now you are taking 55% of the money.
Okay. Now, because it's interesting how this goes. So when they put their money, if they have so much money sitting on their books and they have so much cash flow, you complain. You actually sanction them one way or the other. Ask them to pay something on it. If they actually go into real estate, you complain too.
Yes.
Making it the only viable option or one of the most reasonable options is to go into bonds. And yet now they have been affected by a domestic debt exchange.
Sure. And see, the effect it's going to have on the economy, on Ghanaians, is what worries me. You see, the confidence in government instruments is what we should watch.
Okay.
Because people may begin to say, oh, there's no point investing in government instruments. If I have my money, I wouldn't even buy treasury bills. I'll put my money at home because it may happen again.
Oh, that's what people say.
Yes.